Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Mom Education channel. Dear students, today we are going to learn basic cost accounting, in which the topic is process costing and its other name is cost of production report. Dear students, let's we move to its third problem, which is taken from the book of Professor Sohail Afzal. Students, let's move on slide which is in front of your screen. Students, this is a problem number 7.3. CPR mean cost of production report, first department without loss. During March 2015, Department number 1 of Gomal Industries used in production materials rupees 1,25,640 rupees, labor 85,570 rupees, and factory overhead is applied at the rate of 80% of direct labor cost. Production of 20,000 units was started in department number 1. 18,500 units still in process. Still in process. Sorry. 18,500 units was completed and transferred to department number 2 at the end of March. At the end of March, the units still in process in the department was 100% complete as to material. %, complete as to direct labor and 50% complete as to factory overhead. Required cost of production report. Cost of production report for the month. Cost of production report for the month. Report for the month. Students, let's move to other slide. The main question is here. Students, this is the main slide about this problem, in which the title bar is Government Industries Department number 1, cost of production report for the month of March 2015. Students, let's start the first section as a quantity schedule, in which there are 20,000 units was started. 20,000 units was started here. 20,000 units was started. Now units completed and transferred to next department is 18,500 units. 18,500 units are completed and transferred to the next department 2. Now the units still in process are 1500 units are units in process. The degree of completion is as a material 100%, labor 70%, and FOI 50% of the degree of completion. About the unit student process at the ending inventory. Now we add both the figures here. This is also our 20,000 units. Both figures are matching to each other. This figure and this figure should be matched always. Now students, we move to the next section as a cost charge to department. Here the direct material cost is ₹1,25,640, ₹1,25,640. This is the direct material cost which is used in the first department. Now direct labor cost is 85,570 rupees. 570 rupees is the direct labor cost. Now students, factory overhead is applicable as a applied form, which is 80% of direct labor cost. Now we have to take 80% of direct labor cost here. 80% multiplied by direct labor cost. This is the amount of factory overhead applied. 68,456 rupees is the factory overhead applied as 80% of direct labor cost. Students, now we sum up in these figures here. As rate sum. This is the total manufacturing cost in department 1. Now students, we move to the section number 4 to find out the equivalent production. Now we will move here. This is the section 4. In this we have to find out the equivalent production and as well as it cost per unit in material, labor and FOH. In material, labor and FOH. Students, we know the completed units we have to put here, which are 18,500 units, same as in labor. 18,500 units here, same as 18,500 units here. Now, units still in process are 1,500 units here, 5,200 units here, and 1,500 units here. The degree of completion is 100%. 70% as a direct labor and 50% as a FOH. Now students, we have to find the completion in units working process. Now we have to multiply this figure with degree of completion percentage here. This is the 1,500. Now we have to copy this figure in below. So this is the 1,500 as a direct labor material. 1,050 is the direct labor units and 750 is the factory overhead units, which are still work in process at the ending inventory. Now we have to add these units with these units. We find out the equivalent production in each sector like as direct material, direct labor and factory overhead here. Now we add here commodity units plus steel process, working process steel units here. This is the 20,000 units as a direct material with equivalent production, same as we have to copy it here again. These are the equivalent production about direct labor and factory overhead. Now we put these units in here so that we find out the units per unit cost with material cost, direct labor cost and the factory overhead cost. Students, 20,000 units here, 19,550 units here and 19,250 units here. Now cost about material is 1,25,640 rupees is the material cost, same as 85,570 rupees is the direct labor cost and the factory overhead cost is the 68,456 is the factory overhead cost. Now students, we have to divide this cost with these units, then we find the per unit cost about material, direct labor and factory overhead here. Now we have to divide this cost with given units. So this is the 6.28 is the cost per unit against material, and we copy again here. So then we will find out the other cost per unit like as direct labor and factory overhead here. Students, these are the unit per cost. Now these unit per cost have to put in second section 6.28, 4.38, 6.28 here, 6.28 here, same as 4.38 here, 4.38 here, and also the FH is 3.56 here, 3.56 here. Students, these are the unit per cost in all sector like as material cost, labor cost and the factory overhead cost. Now we have to add to find the total cost per unit here. This is the total cost per unit 14.22. Students, now we move third section as a cost accounted for as follows, in which we have to put firstly the commodity units which are transferred to the next department is the 18,500 and the per unit cost is 14.22. So this is the amount to this is the amount to 6 students, we have to take decimal points up to, we have to place a decimal up to 6 decimal here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 so that we find the correct answer. K39, K38, K38 we have to put here, K38, K38, K38 here. Now with K39, 39 here, same as K40 here. Now you take up to 2 decimal place here, up to 2 decimal place here. Add up these values here. This is the 14.22. This is the 14.22. Again add vertically. Sum. Now students, this is the unit per cost. Total cost per unit is 14.22. Now you place this value here. Here. M18 here, M18 here, plus M18. So this is the our value 2,629,801 rupees. Now students, we put work in process ending inventory here 1500. Working degree of completion is here, which is 100%. Same as direct labor 1500. Degree of completion is 70%, and also the factory overhead 50%. Now we will take per unit cost here, K38 here, plus K38, same as K39, same as K40. Students, now we find the work in process and inventories amount in the form of direct material cost is 9,423, same as direct labor cost and factory overhead. We sum up all these figures, then we find the 16,686 rupees. Now we add the both values. This is the 2,646,486 rupees is the total cost accounted for. This value should be equal as this value. 666 666 and this value is increasing. What is the problem here? Equivalent production 9250, 9500, 20,000. Oh, sorry, the mistake is here. 85, 570, 640, 56 is accurate. 9, 6.28, 4.37, 3.556. This is the accurate value. Now students, we have to reconciliation this value with this value. What is the difference between? We move again here, we increase the decimal place here. Now we can check here. 686, 486, 486. What is the problem here? Now we add again this sum, add the sum. Triple six. Students, mistake here. This is the 18,500. Note this is the mistake here. Now the value is accurate. The value is accurate here. 279,666 and also the 279,666. This is the reconciliation between two the values. Student, this is our problem which we have found out in a simple manner. Students, I think you have learned and understood this problem clearly. If you have any queries or problem from this video, please inform me on my channel so I will try to remove your problem at once. Dear students, if you are clear and understood about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Dear students, one more thing is that for learning about post-production reports, so you have to see my all videos consecutively so that you can clear your all concepts about this topic.